Hello everybody, it's Marc Dixon, your local Hawaii insurance agent. And today we are answering a question that I get asked all the time. Am I covered if I'm driving someone else's car? Now, the short answer is most of the time, yes. But there are some important details that you need to know. So here's how it works. Insurance typically follows the car, not the driver. So if you borrow a friend's car and you get into an accident, well, their insurance is what kicks in first. Now, your policy may help as a secondary coverage if the damages are higher than their limits. So think of it like this. You're borrowing the car, you're also borrowing their insurance. Now, this is where people can run into problems, right? There are a few key exceptions to the rules that I just stated, right? Number one, permission. You need to have permission to drive somebody else's car. If you have permission, you're usually covered. If you don't have permission, coverage can be denied because it's like theft. Number two is regular use. If you're driving someone's car often, like a roommate, partner, or a family member, but you're not listed on their policy, that can create issues. The insurance company might say that you should have been added as a regular driver. And then the third thing is business use. If you're using somebody else's car for work, like deliveries or rideshare, that's usually not covered under a personal auto policy. And then the fourth thing is coverage limits, right? Not all policies are the same. If the owner only has minimal coverage, it might not be enough in a serious accident. So here in Hawaii, we share cars a lot. Family, friends, visiting relatives, and that's part of the Aloha spirit, but it also means you want to be extra careful. So make sure you know who's listed on the policy, what the coverage limits are, and whether drivers are properly included or not. So here's a few simple tips, right? Always ask for permission. Try not to drive the car regularly unless you're listed as a driver, and when you're in doubt, just ask your agent. At the end of the day, borrowing a car shouldn't turn into a giant financial headache. A quick conversation now can save you thousands of dollars later. Now, if you ever want me to review your coverage or answer questions, I'm always here to help. Now, mahalo for watching, stay safe out there, live aloha, and have a mayhem-free day. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.